Hello and welcome back to the Gotham Sound coverage of NAB 2024. We're here at the Reading Audio booth with Yannic from Ambient.
Hi, Nick.
How are you? Good to see you.
I'm fine. How are you?
Very good. Very good.
Fine. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it. So, first of all, the thing I'm most excited about, magnets.
Put it on your fridge or
Put it on my phone.
Or your sound card.
There we go. Yeah, very nice. All right, so what do you got? What are you showing today?
I mean, first and foremost, I want to talk about this new collaboration we've been announcing. Mm-hmm. We are very proud that we are now a shareholder of Viviana Cloud.
Yeah.
For those who don't know, the Viviana Cloud Box is like a cloud backup solution really dedicated for sound mixers, and we are now working together with Daniele on the next version of this. I can't tell too many details yet, but you know, Ambient, it's going to be a rock solid box with a lot of very nice features, and I'm really excited to do this inspiring collaboration with this creative mind of this guy.
He's over here.
He's here. He's over here.
Yeah. Make sure you put the mic in his face.
Yes, of course. The problem of, I mean, yes. The great news this year is that we are Viviana Cloud has got a new partner, Ambient, and it's such a great pleasure and an honor for me to start working with a big brand like Ambient. And we are working on a brand new and unique and very innovative new device that is going to be the new Viviana Cloud Box.
Yeah.
And that's a great thing.
Have a place in any sound bag, an indispensable device. This is what we are aiming for.
Yeah. Great. Anything else that you want to show off?
Yeah, I mean, last year we announced our Quickpole Slim. We just did a very nice video about that in Gotham YouTube channel. You can look at that about all the features. I mean, it was extremely well anticipated by our users because of this slimmer diameter. It is more lightweight, but also the locks were a lot of engineering went into this, and we made it a big thing. So the good news for boom operators is now that we are going to apply our new locking mechanism also to the Quickpole 5 series. So the batch that is currently produced is also already like using the new locking mechanism. And another very good news, I think, is because Ambient, we are always looking that our products are like backwards compatible. So what we're going to bring out, thanks Benedict, is like this here. This will going to be an upgrade kit for the locks that users can, like in a do-it-yourself style, use to upgrade their old Quickpole 5 locks with this new nice locking mechanism. I mean, to put that clear, there's nothing wrong with the QP5 locks. Right. I mean, it's our best-selling boom pole ever. However, we really made it to do a big step forward then. I mean, you can watch the video on Gotham Sounds where we're talking about this locks a lot, and yeah, we wanted to make it possible for users who already own a QP5 to do-it-yourself upgrade this, and I think this is going to be a good thing.
Yeah. So people don't get like, oh, now I have to buy a new boom
you don't have to
pole.
buy a new boom
Right.
to get this going. Yeah.
Right, unless they want the slim features of it, they can use their QP5.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
And then, there are some news on our Lockit timecode and genlock system as well. Just a few weeks ago, we released our new Lockit Toolbox. Beside this heavily needed design update, going from a Windows 95 design to really a modern thing, the features now is that you can attach several Lockit devices at once, and you can do like the settings for the relevant settings for all devices attached at once. I mean, this really saves a lot of time if you have a lot of Lockits, if you are a rental or if you own a lot of Lockits. It has like it's auto updating, so you don't have to download a new toolbox all the time. It's coming here, and also you can do all the settings as you know. And what it's also integrated is the downloading of the log files. At the moment, there's still another application called NanoLockit Logger, where you need to offload the marker files if you use the NanoLockit as a logger. Now that's integrated in the toolbox as well. What else? Yeah, I mean, since last year we also published a new firmware version of our Lockits, the Firmware 8. It has a lot of very nice features, but I want to highlight the so-called TX mode. You can really use our Lockits as a bridge for timecode and genlock. If you start this device in TX mode, which goes by holding red and press power, this is like waiting for an external source, timecode or also genlock if you use a Lockit, to be fed in, and then it broadcasts it through ACN to all the other Lockits. And it's not just a single jam like other brands are doing it. It's really like the Lockit device is tuning itself to the external source. It's tuning its internal crystal to the external source. So that makes it possible for sound mixers to have a nice workflow that you use your own recorder as master clock. And you do all the settings, frame rate, timecode in the menu of your recorder, then attach a Lockit to it, and you're good to go. It's just a nice and convenient workflow.
Very cool. So it seems like efficiency and time saving is a big theme this year. So far, so good.
So far, so good. And last but not least, a tiny little accessory thingy. We built this to mount our Lockit Plus to cameras. In some cases, you need this if you, for example, want to record lens metadata from smart lenses, or if you want to use camera metadata to send it to our Lockit Script app. The good thing about this is, since our Lockit Plus has the same form factor as like any slot-in receiver, you can also use this to mount other slot-in receivers on cameras in a very low-profile way.
Okay.
So yeah, this will coming out soon as well. And then there are some new cables as well.
Highlighting USB cables,
USB cables, DIN cables for all the new cameras, the smaller Sony cameras that accept timecode a different way.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Yannic, thank you so much.